Are you ready?
An update on the weather now. Typhoon Karina continues to bring rains and powerful winds to parts of Luzon.
Okay, so finally siguro naman ma-broadcast na yan, ma-live. Ang dami natin paghihirap, ang daming obstacle.
Sa kaalaman mo, sa iba't ibang lengguwahe, tinuruan mo kami ng mga tamang pagbibigkas ng mga mahihirap na salita. Ginabayan mo rin kaming mga magulang na tamang pagpapalaki at pag-aaruga ng aking mga anak upang maiwasan ang hindi mga kanais-nais na bagay.
If in doubt,
Lag out.
Busilak at laging bukas ang iyong puso para sa ating mamamayan at talagang inaabot mo ang iyong kamay para makatulong sa inyong kapwa.
Push! Push!
At higit sa lahat, ipinakita mo sa amin na kahit ilang beses pa tayong bumagsak at mabunggo ng mga pangyayari sa ating buhay, ikaw ay nananatiling magpakumbaba at agad pumabang. Sino ba sila? Ate, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
And it's raining in Bulacan, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Magandang ka! So much of people mabuhay. We miss you. We miss you. Magandang ka!
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. This is disgust. And that's fear.
Oh my gosh, I'm anxiety.
I'm envy.
That's ennui.
That's embarrassment.
These are Riley's memories, and they're mostly happy, you'll notice, not to brag. But the really important ones are over here. I don't want to get too technical, but these are called core memories. Each one came from a super important time in Riley's life, and each core memory powers a different aspect of Riley's personality.
Hi, AD Surprise! I just want to say that you are our superhero from ISM2 to Motive Care. We've learned a lot from you. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. I will always be a hashtag Karina PH baby. I love you and I missed you.
Mahaba ang buhok, maamo ang mukha. Maladyosa raw sa ganda ang batang ito.
Ang ganda mo naman. Paa mo lang ako eh.
Ganda ni baby girl.
Sana all maganda.
Happy birthday, Ina! Love you. Enjoy your birthday. And you're so wonderful. Such a dynamic person. I miss you. And all the best in life for you. Love you.
Ano na? Ano na? Hey GF Car! Happy birthday! I miss you. I want to thank you for the gift of friendship. From QC to Pampanga to the moments na we've spent together. Ang dami na, sobrang dami na. Mga sleeping session siguro, marami. Yung mga yoga na nauwi sa sleeping session. Yung mga walking natin sa circle na nauwi din sa kainan. Yung pagpunta nating dalawa sa Baler, no? Na talagang tinulugan lang naman talaga, no? Pero I'm really so happy that we had those moments together. Kasi I am super blessed to have you in my life. You just don't know how you impacted my life in a positive way. Siguro, kung ituturing kita sa isang bagyo, ikaw yung bagyong naging positibo yung impact sa buhay ko. Not just to me, but of course, people around you. For sure, they are so blessed and grateful to have you in their lives. And it's the same thing that I feel for you. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, Kari, kung lalaki lang talaga ako, lalaki pa rin naman talaga yung pipiliin ko. Huwag ka namang ano. But again, I really want to thank you for the moments and friendship. Yun lang. Wala na akong masasabi pa. I'm so happy sa mga bagay na na-achieve mo. Dati, pinag-uusapan lang natin years ago, and now we are grateful, we are blessed, and yung mga rayuman natin, no, talaga naman pong umaatikabo na sila at ayaw magpaawat. So siguro ibalik natin yung happy moments natin. Thank you. Siguro soon I miss cooking for you, so let's set up another cooking session. Ikaw yung kaibigan kong hindi mahirap paglutuan kasi napakagana mong kumain, ano. After nun, Borlog, ganon. But again, I love you, I miss you, stay blessed, and be the happiest person. Hashtag Karina PH. Kita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday! Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.
Happy birthday, Edi Karina. Happy birthday, Edi Karina. Thank you sa lahat ng learning. I'm a stronger leader because of you. Naalala ko yung sinabi mo na dapat di tayo naghanap ng motivation. Dapat meron tayong self-discipline. And that's deeper than having a motivation. And you're the perfect example of a person with self-discipline. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And may sasabihin pala si Chase.
Hashtag Karina PH.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
To the person who taught me everything about leadership, happy birthday, Edi Karina. I wish you nothing but the best and success in life. Hindi alam ng lahat to, pero sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo sa akin, Yung utang ko, malapit ko na mabayaran sa'yo. Kidding aside, I'm just so thankful that I have a good friend in you. That, ay, naiiyak ako. Baka umiyak ako. Pero ano, thank you. Thank you, Edi Karina.
Para sa aking Miss Independent Karina, sa iyong murang edad ay sinubok ka ng kapalaran. Bagamat wala sa piling ng pamilya, ikaw ay natutong lumaban. Tumayo sa sariling paa at magpakatatag para maabot ang mga pangarap. Sa iyong pagtapak sa aking tahanan, ipinakita mo ang tunay na malasakit sa iba. Pinalakas ang loob ng iyong mga naging kaibigan at pinatunayan ang kakayahang lampasan ang anumang hamon.
On her 50th year, ladies and gentlemen, Associate Director, Karina Benito! Thank you so much for their hard work, and we're still looking forward to work with you in the next couple of years. Continue to inspire everybody. Again, let's give a round of applause for Amy Karina and all of our awardees on stage! Thank you.
Sa mga susunod na hamon ng buhay, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ako, ang iyong pamilya, at lahat ng iyong napahanga ay naniniwalang malayo pa ang iyong mararating. Continue believing in your dreams, Karina.
Thank you so much sa DC at saka sa Capcom. So anyway, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate the effort that you have given to put all this. Thank you and to my OMs, to everyone who's here. Sandali na lang kakain na kayo. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. We wish you all the best and all the blessings that you can get and that you deserve. Happy birthday from your VXI Clark family.